Alright, this is an Ornate ceiling fan that I got from Brent G on the DT fan forums. And I replaced the Encon Georgian that was hanging here in the master bedroom with it because my dad was saying that it was noisy. I didn't really hear anything and my mom didn't, but he did, so I figured whatever. And plus this one has an extra light, so it's brighter in here now, which is a good thing. And not too sure of the brand. Pretty sure it's Codep though. It says Evermuster Electrical up on the top, so Codep and Evermuster are associated with each other, so that's probably what it is. But it works great. It's got stencil blades, Georgian brackets, you know, all that stuff. The canopy is not original. When I got the fan, it came with an oil rug bronze modern looking canopy that was butt ugly, so I put up that brass one, and I'll probably get an antique brass one at Lowe's next time I'm there. But like I said, it works great. It's got the 5 light kit up there with milk glass shades with gold pin striping on them, which looks very excuse me, which looks very nice. And that works. It's not on a 3-way chain or anything. It's got a set up there. This is an original up door. So, anyway, I mean this came with the fan when I got it, but I can tell it's not original. It probably would have had one with gold stripes here and here on it. Just like on these 2 shades. Another reason I know it's not original is because it had the residue of a price sticker on it when I got it that I got off, but it was there nonetheless. So I know at one point it was replaced. And, you know, nice stenciling on the blades and nice ornate motor with a big spinner motor in it. It's a big sized motor. So it's a pretty good quality fan here. I'll turn this off and show you the thing. It's on reverse right now. You can see there's a slight wobble. Maybe look at you like it. It's nothing that big though. Not that big of a deal at all. There's medium. There's low. There you can see a wobble. Pretty amazing wobble there. Oh. Yeah. And there it is off. And the blades have a good long spin down time. For example, I turned the fan off, went to my room, did something on my computer, came back, and they were still spinning. But I'm just going to stop them like so. Flip the reverse switch down and show you the normal mode. You see it's pretty power jerked that housing quite a bit. But it's all secure, I mean I checked it. It's a pretty powerful fan. Very quiet. Very powerful. Yeah, on low, that's a pretty big wobble. And there you have it. This mystery ornate ceiling fan, which is probably a Codep. And this is good quality, very nice fan. Matches the room perfectly. And thanks to Brent for snagging it for me at his habitat. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed watching.